cell membrane is a thin covering cell that includes cells packed together. Nucleus, the organism that controls all cells' activity. Cytoplasm, Magellan-like substance containing many germaniums that keeps all cells functioning. Tissue, organ, and system. Tissue, cells that move together to perform a special function. Tissue like muscle tissue, nervous tissue, and nerve tissue. Organ, tissues that work together to perform a special function. System, organs that work together to perform a function. Diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion is the process by which many materials move in and out of thin organisms. Osmosis, the diffusion of water and dissolved materials through all cell membrane. Animal cells. Animal cell are typical of cells enclosed by plasma membrane and containing membranes, bones of and organisms like the cell, plant, and fungi. Animal cells do not have a cell wall. This is a picture of animal cells. Got nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, and all of those things. Plant cells. The basic unit of all plant cells, like animal cells, are meaning they have a membrane, bones, nucleus, and organism.